We are not only partners of industry, we also offer consulting and technical solutions to small and medium-sized businesses that are tailored to their specific company size. In addition to our horizontal roasting and cooking systems, we have now also added vertical compact systems for poolish and sourdough production with usable volumes of 180, 320 and 460 liter to our portfolio. Space-saving compact systems for all company sizes. Special sizes or volumes available upon request. Version with hinged lid. An inclined filling or maintenance opening ensures optimal cleaning and uncomplicated scraper replacement. Sight glass option. With this option, you can maintain an overview during production, even without opening the hinged cover secured with a limit switch. The hinged lid version features a circumferential seal. Additionally, a circumferential drip-off collar is welded on. The angled filling and maintenance opening provides 100% accessibility, ensuring optimal cleaning and quick scraper replacement. With our horizontal and vertical scraper agitators, you don't just keep your product moving. Whether for homogenization, suspension, dispersing, or temperature addition or removal, our agitators are also versatile. Version with manhole. The 180, 320, and 460 liter usable volume versions can be equipped with a pressure-tight manhole instead of a hinged lid. 2 optional extensions are available for this version. Option 1. Pressurization. This function allows for significantly faster product emptying, for example, of poolish or wheat sourdough. Option 2. Automated cleaning. In conjunction with the standard water flow measurement, 2 cleaning connections with rotating spray heads can be integrated. An optimally adjusted diameter-height ratio generates a large dough surface for oxygen absorption. Emptying is achieved via an electric or pneumatic two-way ball valve with full bore. In addition, the inwardly shaped discharge funnel ensures efficient product emptying. In accordance with our product philosophy, we pay particular attention to gentle processing and a long period of proving the dough. The temperature control is achieved with an ice-water cooling system. We use efficient and process-reliable pillow plate technology for our tanks that are to be cooled or heated. Now we come to a special feature designed specifically for this series of systems. To ensure a stable temperature during the long process of proving the pre-dough or wheat sourdough, we installed an electric plate heater on the bottom of the tank to regulate the temperature better. We have many options for you. For systems with a usable volume of 320 kilograms and 460 liter, we recommend our fold-out platform for filling and maintenance. Furthermore, this series of systems can also be equipped with feed pumps, which are often essential for emptying rye sourdough. For permanently installed systems, adjustable feet with integrated load cells can be installed instead of the rollers. Automated filling is possible for the system sizes 320 liter and 460 liter usable volume. Contact us and we will develop a concept tailored to your requirements. Asterisk, do you have any further questions? We're happy to answer them. Your team at MB Components.